everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. As we wrap up Security Week here, we're going to talk about some of the things we covered, do a little overview of everything, and bring out a couple more things for you to think about. So we started it out with situational awareness, knowing what's going on around you, and teaching your kids about situational awareness. Now I'm going to look over here on the side to make sure I don't miss anything on the list here. Second one was doors and locks, making sure your entryway is secured into your house, rather your normal entryways, so you don't have people break in on you. Then we went to CCTV cameras, so you can be able to see what's going on outside your house. Talked about windows, securing your windows so someone doesn't, break your windows to come in, or just break your windows as they're riding down the street. Talked about plants, putting plants around your house that are very burglar unfriendly, the big thorny ones and stuff, and plants like that. We also talked about fencing around your property, what you can, some things you can do, some things you can't do. Talked about the legal ramifications of doing certain things which you shouldn't be doing, but also to check with your local police, and if you're in a homeowners association, check with them to see what you can and can't do as well. Talked about blackout curtains. So during power outages or certain events where there's no power, and you have lights and stuff in your house, you don't shine like a beacon to everybody in the neighborhood that you have power or you have lighting. That brings us up to where we're at now. So one of the things I want to talk to you about now, I'm talking here at the end instead of the beginning, just because I want to make sure you go back and review everything. Get yourself a notebook, walk around your property, walk around your house, think like a bad guy. How would you break into your house? How would you get in there? Make notes of what you're doing. Going back to the prepping in private, are you bringing your, buying big hauls of groceries and bringing them in where everybody can see it? If you have a garage you can pull into, that's much better. But a lot of people have their garages cluttered with stuff. They park out in front. So there's a lot of things to consider around your house. Go around, look at it. Are there certain bushes and stuff farther away from your house you may want to trim back? Are there other ones you want to plant next to your house that are nice and thorny? Just not near a window, but just make it a pain to go around your house. Putting gravel down around the planter beds around the house. So anybody walking around your house to check a window is stepping in gravel, making a crunching noise. And at night when it's dark, I guarantee you that crunching noise is going to make them very nervous and just may chase them off. There's a lot of different things you can do to get your house more secure, where you don't have to use deadly force. If you can chase someone off passively, so much the better. You want to make your house not a target. All right. So with that, just want to remind you, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't let it get you down in the dumps and depressed. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish or illegal. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, other equipment you're going to need. Why? Well, this is why.